Hi, I show you today a little life hack how to improve your daily work with SAP Signavio, especially with the feature text to process. So in my daily work, I get sometimes PDFs or Excel sheets or PowerPoint presentations where you have a mix out of text and pictures, descriptions about processes and responsibilities, risks, something like that. And then someone wants to see, as an example, can I have this in SAP Signavio? And the old-fashioned way would be to do everything manually by yourself in the process manager. But now I want to show you a little life hack how to make it faster. So here I have the example. It's in PDF with an HR process, onboard a new hire, it's called. And here you see a picture of the process. Maybe you have a kind of description, what is to do in which task. The quality is sometimes good, sometimes not that strong. So let's take this as an example. What am I doing? So next step is that you open a kind of a meeting or like Microsoft Teams or something where you have a transcript possibility. Maybe you have a video program where you can record yourself, something like that. And then you simply describe by your own words the process. So you go through the documents and you simply use, in my case, English and describe the process. So then the result can look like this. I have a process called HR Onboard New Hire. The process starts when the contract is signed. The welcome package is sent to the new hire. So depending on your description, you get text out of your tool. And now I simply copy this text and go into SAP Signavio. I already opened the AI feature, text to process, paste my text, and then we wait for a moment. Now we have a result, and so that you can see it, I open it in the process manager, so that's a little bit larger here, and we now compare it with what we got at the beginning. So welcome package, send welcome package. Let's compare it with the original one. Send new hire welcome package. Okay, then we have 3 tasks, again 3 tasks. I zoom a little bit in for you. So prepare desk and equipment, create email and other accounts, plan first assignment. Let's compare it. Plan first assignment, prepare desk and equipment, create email and software accounts. Okay. Yeah, that's actually a little bit more detailed than the original one. So I guess it's good to go. Now I can add my attributes and maybe change the layout a little bit, the colors, depending on what I need. But most important is it only took me, I don't know, some minutes until I had it done. Yeah, so this was a little life hack from my side. I hope this life hack helped you in your daily work with SAP Signavio, especially if you use already some of the AI capabilities. Have fun developing and see you next time.